Hi everyone, I am Dr. S. Samada, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. SNS Lakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept the dry problem in Python. Python programming, it is one of that web applications creations they have to using in Django. Under the Django is a one of a concept as dry problem. The dry is don't repeat yourself. That is the full form of dry. It helps to creating a coding, that is every piece of that coding it is a single, there is no repeated content. It is an unambiguous authority representations of a system. For the particular coding is a unique code, there are no repeated, and this is a duplicate unnecessarily for multiple spaces are avoided with help of the dry problem in Python. It is the benefits is high maintenance cuts. If you that they have to using a dry problem, the cost will be high, and bugs also high, and difficult to debugging and updates. After that, the violation of coding is a need a standard. The dry problems they using multiple places, and update of that several locations. If the coding is multiple places are available, for example, one web application is created, the one concept they refer and many pages means the content is appearing in multiple places, it is a duplicate content. If you want to update in one place, need to update in all places, that is one of that difficulties. A bug is fixed in one place and exists to others. Once you have to error is occurred, they automatically update for the all the places. The violates of your coding, if that increase your technical debut. And symptoms of dry problem, and they have finding that four symptoms. The first one is code copy paste across the files. Just copy and paste, they increasing the multiple places, that is the duplication. Second one is multiple block for a small changes. The same block you have to creating in many places, that also creating in duplicate. Same magic values using in anywhere where. If that for example anonymous means they refer in all places, that is also a same magic values refer to the multiple areas. And web page same header and footer, that is also a one of the symptoms of dry problem. And the consequence of violating dry, they have a 5 methods. It's a difficult to maintain, and then also it is multiple places are occur to difficult to maintain. And also one place is if the value is missed automatically affecting to the another places, that is inconsistent update and more code to test. And duplicate values are increased automatically, the testing process is increased. After that, the larger files, if the file size is increased, the redundant information also increased. And team collaboration is used, the different part of consistency for maintain. For example, dry function definition, def calculate area of passing the two argument, length comma width, and both values are multiplied and returned. Here call the 3 times of function, same function, passing the values are different and printed in 3 times. That is 10 comma 5, the output value is 1 colon, that is 50. The second value is 8 comma 3 is a 24, and 4 comma 2, the output value is 8. The copy paste error is just copy and paste of all those things, 1 2 3, also the same thing converted to a for loop. A single line they print the output. For example, here square of the 3 values, the square is a single function, here calling the 3 times. And here also your age is checking, the under 18 is not eligible to vote, greater than 18 it is eligible to vote. The same method they are using a function or without function. The first one is we have to represent it in the age greater than 18. Here you only using the conditional statement. The conditional statement is true, it is eligible to vote. The condition is false, it's not eligible to vote. The same program converted to a function. Def check eligibility of age. If age greater than or equal to 18, that is message equal to eligible. Else the message is not eligible. Finally, we have to apply the driver and the check eligibilities. That is the output. And real world application, Django web project, they're using a header and footer, and solution is that above already discussed the base.html and then extends tag and data analysis with your pandas and logic to your module to the data cleaning. Tools are using Flask 8, Pilot, Block and Dry PY. These are all the tools using to dry problems, and also using a functions. If you the best practice of avoid the dry problems means there is using a function. There is function, loops, constant and class and objects and template inheritance. Those are all to avoid the functions. This is the example of the program. Previously see that one of that square. Here is the area of circle. Here for first one function is get the radius, second one is the area, the third one is circumference. If you call a functions to display the output. Thank you.